innovate first, regulate after. Really interesting. I also, in my mind, am contrasting it with the way the Soviet Union and Russia since operated. That doesn't sound at all like this model. And it's interesting that countries that, at least on the surface, had a similar cultural communist problems, the bureaucracies that form inside the communist state, it just seems that China broke away from that somehow. I don't understand exactly what happened.
In the West, they group these economies together as if they're the same thing. No, it's not the same at all. There's so many differences, so much more flexibility. You can have dynamic entrepreneurialism at the same time have socialist characteristics. And I think this is what China has been able to shape and mold, a unique model that balances between government and industry, between state coordination and market mechanisms, and between individualism and communalism. It's not necessarily black and white. You can have all these things at the same time.